Houston? What you need? Medical, police, or fire?
Um, Possibly medical. I haven't checked yet. I was just hit on I-10 heading east, coming from Katy towards
Okay.
Houston. So there's at least 2 cars involved. I need to go check to see if they're okay, but they're on the other side of the freeway.
One moment. Houston Fire and Medical, what's the location of your emergency? No one transfer. Thank you. Caller, what's the location of your emergency?
I'm on I-10. I'm right at exit 750. I'm actually in the median of the exit and the freeway, right before the barrels.
What direction were you traveling? Are you on the Katy Freeway headed westbound or eastbound? Or are you on the feeder?
Heading eastbound on I-10, coming from Katy towards Houston.